So I've been loving this mattress because it's huge and comfortable. Look how thick this thing is. You can see it's 10 inches deep, and that's made of a premium selection of different types of flame retardant paddings, Duragel foams, Dura HD foams, and individual pocket springs. And that means it's a really high quality bed, and it has been holding up over time for me. I've been using it for over 6 months now, and it's been a fantastic bed from day one. Now, when you first get the bed, it's actually rolled up even tighter than this, so all you have to do is just open the box, peel off some plastic, and it rolls out for you. Super easy. Now you are going to want to let it set for about 48 hours while it decompresses and it gets back to the shape that it's supposed to be in. Just look at the cool patterning on this bed. Look how squishy and soft it is. It's been so nice for both me and my daughter as well, who enjoys sleeping on this bed. So I'd say it's a good mattress for anybody who doesn't need anything too crazy or too outrageous. For me, it's been great, and I've got a sore back too, but this has been helping out so much while I'm sleeping because it has a nice level of firmness, but it still provides a lot of cushiony comfort as well.